Welcome to the 2019-2020 school year. Welcome to second grade. My name is Miss Hudson and I will be your teacher for this school year. This school year we are going to be using a website in which I will be using that to post information that is very important for our learning. So the first important thing to know is, of course, the website address. So it is second grade misshudson.weebly.com. Once again, that's second grade misshudson.weebly.com. And you can also access it for cell phones or on your cell phone as well. So at the top of the page, you have, of course, this lovely welcome video, and then you have just a quick hello, my contact information, so you can get in contact with me via email, also by giving me a phone call, but also with Class Dojo as well. Then here's a little bit of information about me. Each week the students will have either gym or art, and I will try to make sure to post an update so that you know which special they will have, especially because gym, they're going to need their gym shoes that whole week. Then we'll have our daily schedule and then a calendar to go with it, so that you know those important dates that we have off of school and things like that. So this is all located on the home page. After the home page, we have announcements. On the announcements page, I'm going to also keep us up to date on those important things that are going on within the school. Here are a beginning of the year announcements already posted here for you. We have their first homework assignment, student information sheets that need to be turned in, Class Dojo and Remind apps. Those are going to be very important this year. So please make sure that you are connected with them. If you have any questions, please contact me. Then we have our school supply list. You will have a copy sent home on the first day of school. However, if you need another copy or need to quickly look at it, it's located here for you. And again, this is on the announcements tab. Next to announcements, we have spelling words. The students will have spelling words. The spelling words are not going to get started right away, but I will let you know when we have our first week of spelling words. On this spelling word tab, there is a video explaining the homework that goes with the spelling. So please take a look at that video. And know that we will be having spelling tests on Fridays. And then on Fridays at the end of the day, I will be updating or changing those words so that if you want extra time on the weekend to begin studying those, you certainly can do that. So please take a look at that video. Next, under more, we have homework. That's our next tab. Each night, the students will be receiving homework, so please make sure that you check their folders daily because they will have homework. I will send a note if things change, but they will have homework each night. Also, there's a short video on how to do the first assignment. Once again, if you are unsure about how to complete the first assignment, please contact me and I will be more than willing to help you get started with that. The next tab is our Learning Corner. Very excited about our Learning Corner. The Learning Corner is going to give you the standards that we are working on for the week, and the standards that we're working on will also match the homework, so they'll get a chance to get practice during the day at school with me and then continue to practice at home with you. So please keep these in mind as well. Also, we have our behavior expectations. For our behavior system, we will be using Class Dojo. So again, I really want to encourage you to download the Class Dojo app. And if you have any questions, please let me know. On Class Dojo, we'll use that so that you can see behavior, but also so that we can communicate. And here are our classroom rules as well. Additional resources. So we also have some resources. I've already put a few resources that are helpful for the young children, but also I will be posting additional resources that again will match the skills that we are learning here in class. So my goal is to constantly have everything matching, and so that the kids know what skill we're working on, what our goal is with that skill, and so they get plenty of practice with that. And then our last tab is students at work. I do plan to take pictures and video and post them up here so that you can see. And I also want to do shout outs. Shout outs are just words of encouragement or highlighting someone that has done something great, maybe academically, or maybe they did something that was kind to someone. And so here we're just going to list their shout outs. So again, this is our website that we will be using. And once again, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm very excited. Thank you.